museum, right, Cosmic Family, and like I was telling you all, this museum is basically the Museum of Black Blood because everything they have was confiscated during raids, or what like they call it annexes or cedings, right? Like they say, we didn't steal the land, we ceded it from the Indians. Ceded is just another word for stealing. Or we didn't steal the land, we annexed it. Huh? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Annexed it. Annexed it is just another word for stealing. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like they got all these words to try to these big words to try to make it to try to sugarcoat what the hell they really did. But if I go run to somebody's house right now, like I always use this example. No lie. Like if I go run to somebody's house right now and steal everything in the house, and they charge me with burglary, and I get to court and I say, hey, I didn't steal anything. I ceded it from them. What? The judge gonna say guilty. That's a burglary. I didn't steal anything. I annexed it. Like what? Like that's why it always tripped me out. These double standards, man. Like these words, they use these words, man. I'm talking about they gotta listen. Satan, they daddy. They got a motherfucking way with words. I'm trying to tell you, they got a way with some words, man. Like they will run these words around your head and make themselves look so innocent. And when you do it, they make you like the worst person in the world. You know what I'm saying? And that's what the Louvre Museum is. Like, how can we call this a museum? You know what I'm saying? Because right now, any museum, let's just be real, y'all. Let's keep it real over Richard. Any museum, Cosmic Family. Like, if I go run in your house and steal everything in your house and kill your mama, your daddy, and rape the women and the children and steal everything in the house, then I go to your neighbor's house, steal everything in the house. Then I go to the other side of town, steal everything in the house. And I make my way around your whole city. I run in everybody's house and kill them and rape them and rob and take everything. And then I take everything I found and rob, well, everything that I stole, not found, because found and stole is two different things. They love doing that too, y'all. They love to say they found some shit or we discovered some shit that you stole. You know what I'm saying? But if I hit all these different houses in your city and rob everybody's house, and I take all these items and I take them to one location, and then I say, you know what, this is a museum, and I'm gonna just put up all the items I stole at this other house, and then I'm gonna charge y'all to come in and view these items that I stole. That's what a museum is. That's what a museum is, y'all. That's what a museum is. Specifically this Louvre Museum. If I did that right now, first off, when the police pull up, they run up, we got all the evidence, and this dumbass dude he stole all this stuff, all these people's property. They murdered all these people and stole all their belongings. And now he got them on display, and he's charging people a fee to come in and view what he stole from others. They would consider me a serial rapist. They would consider me a serial killer. They would consider me a serial robber and the world's dumbest criminal. That's what I would be considered. But that's what a museum is, though. And specifically this Louvre Museum, right? And that's what amazed me, y'all, about these titles. You know what I'm saying? Like, 'cause if I do it, if we steal a book, we run a Target right now and clear that motherfucker to take everything, even the shelves off the goddamn walls. You hear me? And then we go put them in one location and we start selling things from that location, or just put them on display. They gonna call it a trap house. They gonna say it's a stash house. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, they're gonna say these items are hot. You see what I'm saying? But they call it a museum, though. And then it gets glorified, and they got all these paintings and all this ancient paintings and these ancient sculptures and these beautiful jewels that they call the crown of France, and Napoleon gave this to his first wife, and the sapphire crown Napoleon gave that to his second wife, but Napoleon was a goddamn home invader. You know what I'm saying? These are people that raided the tombs of Egypt. These are people that stole our jewelry, our diamonds, our crystals, our rubies, our gemstones, our precious metals. You can't even get real diamonds no more. Because, man, you go to the jewelry store trying to get an internally flawless diamond, you're going to pay them $1 million for less than a carat of an internally flawless diamond. They ain't finna get no internally flawless diamond. They're going to sell you SI diamonds. For y'all that don't know about jewelry out there, they're going to sell you SI diamonds, right? And each diamond is based upon, like, let me give y'all a little class on diamonds for y'all that don't know. Diamonds are they charge you based upon how perfect the stone is. Because diamonds are crystals. I taught y'all this. If you don't know that, diamonds are crystals. All right, so they charge you on how perfect the diamond is. So if it got a lot of like cracks and things in it from when they mined it, they're gonna call it an SI diamond. You get an SI diamond, 5-carat SI diamond for probably goddamn it $250. But it's gonna be very cloudy when you look at it. It ain't gonna shine like that. Then you got SI, you got SI1, SI2. Then you got VS diamond, and ES1, VS2. Then you got VVS diamond, and VVS1, VVS2. Then you got IF, eternally flawless, and then you got F, flawless. Okay, you know, when you see people with these diamonds that's really shining, a lot of those be VVS diamonds. And they're gonna charge, shit, you try to get a 5-carat VVS diamond, you probably gonna pay damn near, you should have said $100,000. You see what I'm saying? But I think what we start to realize is these diamonds were stolen from you. I go to the jewelry store right now and I say, I want this made out of gold. I want a gold watch, a gold Rolex. I want a gold chain. I want a silver chain. They're going to charge you for silver and gold that was stolen from you. See what I'm saying, Cosmic Family? Peace to the gods and goddesses of the planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.